In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress error 502, also known as the 502 bad gateway error. This is one of the most common WordPress errors, and it can make your entire website inaccessible. Don't worry though, in most cases, this issue is temporary and completely fixable. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step solutions that anyone can follow. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you fix your site, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, start with your WordPress dashboard. If you can still access your WP-admin area, that's a great sign. Try logging into your dashboard and see if the error appears only on the front end of your website or also inside the admin area. Sometimes a 502 error only affects visitors, while you can still log in. If you cannot access the dashboard at all, that usually points to a server-level issue or a plugin conflict. Either way, knowing whether your admin area works helps narrow down the cause. Next, check if your website is actually down for everyone or just for you. Open your browser and go to downforeveryoneorjustme.com. Enter your domain name and run the check. If the tool says the site is down for everyone, the issue is likely related to your hosting server. In that case, you may need to contact your hosting provider. However, if it says the site is only down for you, the problem could be your local connection, browser cache, or DNS settings. This quick check saves a lot of time and prevents unnecessary troubleshooting. Now, let's clear your cache. Start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser stores an old or broken version of your website, which can trigger a 502 error. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try loading your site again. If you're using a caching plugin in WordPress, log into your dashboard and clear the website cache from there as well. Also, if your hosting provider offers server-side caching, clear that too from your hosting control panel. Cache issues are one of the most common causes of temporary 502 errors. Another very common cause is your firewall or content delivery network, such as Cloudflare. If you're using Cloudflare or any other CDN, log into your account and temporarily disable it. You can either pause Cloudflare entirely or switch it to development mode. Then try accessing your website again. Sometimes strict firewall rules or misconfigured DNS settings can block communication between your server and the CDN, which results in a 502 bad gateway error. If disabling the CDN fixes the issue, review your DNS settings and firewall rules before turning it back on. Finally, disable your plugins and themes. Plugin conflicts are a major cause of 502 errors. If you can access your dashboard, go to the plugin section and deactivate all plugins at once. Then check your website. If the site loads correctly, reactivate each plugin one by one until the error comes back. That will help you identify the faulty plugin. If you cannot access your dashboard, use your hosting file manager or FTP to rename the plugins folder inside the WP content directory. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. You can also switch to a default WordPress theme like 2026 to rule out theme-related issues. And that's it. By checking your dashboard access, verifying if the site is down globally, clearing cache, disabling your CDN, and testing plugins and themes, you can fix the WordPress 502 error in most cases. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.